Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page Canva website with an easy step-by-step guide that you can follow in just a few minutes. If you've been wanting to expand your online presence with a sleek multi-page website but felt a bit unsure about where to start, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up is quick and free. Once you're on the homepage, type website into the search bar. This simple action will bring up a plethora of templates specifically designed for web pages. These templates are a fantastic starting point for crafting a visually stunning website, complete with all the components you might need. As you're browsing through the options, you'll notice each template comes with a different number of pages. By hovering your cursor over each template, you can see exactly how many pages are included. This handy feature allows you to preview the multi-page structure before you even make your choice. Pick a template that aligns perfectly with the vision for your website. Once you find the perfect template, it's time to make it your own. Click on Customize this template. This is where the fun really begins because Canva's intuitive drag and drop interface makes it incredibly easy to personalize every aspect of your site. From fonts and background colors to images and layouts, you'll have complete creative control at your fingertips. With your template open, start customizing by replacing images and text. Simply click on the placeholders to swap out the default content with your own. Upload your visuals from your computer or choose from Canva's vast library of professional images, illustrations, and icons. As you update the text, think about your messaging. Keep it clear and concise, and ensure it resonates with your audience. This customization phase is not just about aesthetics, it's about weaving your brand story throughout every page of your site. Once you're satisfied with your design, take a moment to review each page by scrolling through them in Canva. Make sure everything looks cohesive and that navigation between pages flows smoothly for an optimal user experience. It's the attention to detail that will make your website stand out and leave a lasting impression. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a beautiful, personalized, multi-page website ready to go live. Whether it's for a business, portfolio, or personal project, your new Canva website will be a fantastic platform to showcase your content to the world. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more creative tutorials.